So imagine you're trying to apply for university, and in the midst of applying, you're asked to create a password. But the problem is you probably don't even remember your mom's birthday. And there's nothing wrong with that, because that is what makes people like me very useful in life. So now, instead of having to create a not only strong but somewhat complicated password that you might not even remember after 10 minutes, I have created a web app, or a website if you will, that will do all that for you. All you have to do is label the password and choose its length. For example, let's say my mom wants to be hip and create a Facebook account. So what I am going to help her with is the password so that she never forgets it and she can access her account whenever she wants. Thus, what I am going to do is that I'm going to the browser to load the web app on my phone. I am going to label the password as my mom's Facebook account, not her real Facebook account, by the way. She doesn't even have a Facebook, so don't even try anything.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
And then I am going to choose the length of the password. Now I just click the one button that is on the screen, and voila, a new password that I don't even have to remember is generated in just 2 minutes. It's really that simple. You don't have to try very hard. You don't have to think very hard. You can even use these passwords on anything and everything. And you could even make a pin from the app. You have two options. You could either make a password or you can make a pin. In either way, in either one, you choose the length of the password or the pin. So if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for your time. I hope to see you all next time.